Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I'm beautiful and write beautifully. Today is class 9 and we are going to talk about something fun, expressive and emotional interjections in English. Part 1. What is an interjections? An interjection is a word or phrases used to express sudden emotion or reaction. Examples include wow, shows surprise. Oops, for a small mistake. Hooray for happiness. Alas for sorrow. Oh no for disappointment. These words often stand alone and are followed by an exclamation mark. They add emotion to your speech or writing. Part 2. Types of interjections. Let's look at types of interjections. 1. Joy. Hooray, yeah. Hooray, we won the game. 2. Surprise. Wow, oh. Wow, that's amazing. Number 3. Sorrow. Alas, oh no. Alas, he missed the train. Number 4. Greeting. Hello, hi. Hi, nice to meet you. Number 5. Approval. Bravo, well done. Bravo, you did a great job. Number 6. Attention. Listen, look, the sky is so clear. Part 3. Interjections in real conversations. Here are a few practical sentences. Oops, I dropped my phone. Yeah, we are going on vacation. Oh no, I left my keys inside. Ah, I finally understand the problem. Watch, that hurt? Phew, that was close. These are very common in real conversations and make you sound more natural. Part 4. Speaking Practice Tips. Use interjections to add color and emotion to your speech. Practicing with emotion helps with intonation and natural fluency. Try saying, wow, that's incredible. Oops, sorry about that. Phew, finally done. Practice speaking aloud and record yourself. If possible, emotion helps you remember the meaning better too. Thank you so much for watching class 9 on interjections. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share it with others learning English. Thank you very much.